From the vibrant colors of a rainforest to the microscopic world within our own bodies, nature's complexity never ceases to amaze. Today, we journey into a realm of vital importance, a realm of microscopic nutrients that sustain all life as we know it. Our story begins in the early 20th century when the scientific community faced a perplexing puzzle. Debilitating diseases, seemingly caused by dietary deficiencies, defied explanation. In 1912, Polish biochemist Casimir Funk isolated a substance from rice bran. He called it a vitamin combining vita, meaning life, and amine, reflecting his belief in its chemical group. But the story of vitamins doesn't begin with Funk. Decades earlier, Dutch chemist Gerardus Johannes Mulder dedicated his life to unraveling the mysteries of proteins. In the 1830s, Mulder recognized that proteins were complex structures composed of fundamental building blocks, which he called protein radix. His meticulous research paved the way for future scientists to investigate the intricate relationship between diet and health. For centuries, sailors on long voyages battled scurvy, a disease with symptoms like weakness and bleeding gums. Meanwhile, rickets, a bone-deforming disease, plagued urban populations. The discovery that citrus fruits could prevent scurvy and cod liver oil could prevent rickets provided early clues about the existence of vitamins. These observations set the stage for the identification of vitamins C and D as the missing factors in these conditions. In the late 19th century, beriberi was widespread in Asia, particularly among populations reliant on polished rice. Dutch physician Christian Eijkman observed that chickens fed polished rice developed symptoms similar to beriberi, while those given unpolished rice remained healthy. He hypothesized that the condition was caused by a deficiency in the outer layer of rice grains, an insight that revolutionized our understanding of dietary deficiencies. Eijkman's rice experiments were a turning point in vitamin research. By altering the diets of chickens, he demonstrated the direct link between dietary deficiency and disease. His work inspired other scientists to explore the role of dietary factors in other diseases, leading to a cascade of vitamin discoveries. Experiments confirmed that adding rice bran to the diet could prevent the disease, leading to the discovery of vitamin B1, or thiamine, as the missing nutrient in polished rice. These findings underscored the profound impact that dietary choices can have on our health. Eijkman's groundbreaking research, which highlighted the critical role of diet in maintaining health and preventing disease, earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1929. As scientists identified essential nutrients, they developed a systematic way of naming them. Vitamins were generally designated by letters of the alphabet, with some based on their order of discovery or their function. In 1913, researchers discovered a fat-soluble compound crucial for vision, growth, and cell development. It was named vitamin A, the first vitamin classified using this alphabetical system. Found in retinol and beta-carotene, vitamin A is vital for healthy eyes, skin, and immune function. A deficiency can cause night blindness, dry skin, and increased infections. In 1910, Casimir Funk isolated a substance from rice bran that cured beriberi in chickens. This became the first recognized vitamin, later named thiamine or vitamin B1. Thiamine converts food into energy, supporting the nervous system, muscles, and heart. Today, thiamine deficiency is rare in developed countries due to fortified foods and improved diets. Discovered in 1920, vitamin D revolutionized our understanding of bone health. This vitamin, produced by our skin when exposed to sunlight, is essential for calcium absorption and bone growth. A deficiency can lead to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults, both of which cause weak bones. While sunlight is the best source, vitamin D can also be obtained from fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy products. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, discovered in 1922, supports energy production, cell growth, and fat carbohydrate and protein metabolism. It's essential for healthy skin, eyes, and the nervous system. Dairy products, eggs, lean meats, and green leafy vegetables are rich sources of riboflavin. Also identified in 1922, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. It supports immune function and improves blood flow. Sources include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy greens. In 1929, researchers identified vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Green leafy vegetables like kale and spinach are excellent sources of this essential nutrient. Pantothenic acid, or vitamin B5, discovered in 1933, plays a vital role in metabolic processes, hormone synthesis, and red blood cell production. It's widely found in whole grains, legumes, meat, and vegetables. In 1934, scientists identified vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, which supports brain development and neurotransmitter synthesis. It's found in poultry, fish, bananas, and fortified cereals. Discovered in 1935, biotin, or vitamin B7, plays a crucial role in metabolizing fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. A deficiency can cause hair loss, brittle nails, and skin rashes. Eggs, nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes are good sources of biotin. Vitamin B3, or niacin, was isolated in 1937. It plays a key role in energy production and cellular communication. A deficiency leads to pellagra, marked by diarrhea, dementia, and dermatitis. Poultry, fish, nuts, and legumes are great sources of niacin. In 1941, researchers identified folic acid, or vitamin B9, vital for DNA synthesis and cell division. A deficiency during pregnancy can cause birth defects like neural tube disorders. Leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified cereals are excellent sources. Finally, in 1947, scientists isolated vitamin B12, or cobalamin, essential for red blood cell formation and nervous system health. Unlike other B vitamins, it's not found in plant-based foods. Animal products like meat, fish, dairy, and poultry are primary sources. From the early observations of deficiency diseases to the isolation and characterization of individual vitamins, the journey of vitamin discovery is a tribute to human curiosity and scientific inquiry. The alphabetical naming convention reflects the systematic approach scientists have taken to unravel the mysteries of these essential nutrients, each with unique properties and vital roles in the intricate symphony of life. From the vibrant colors of a rainforest to the microscopic world within our bodies, nature's complexity never ceases to amaze. Today we explored the fascinating history of vitamins, microscopic compounds that sustain all life and play a crucial role in our health. Their discovery and study remind us that even the smallest things can have profound effects, underscoring the enduring power of scientific exploration.